If you are unable to access your Capital One account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information, such as your username or account number and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you don't have access to verification codes, look for alternative recovery options. This may include answering security questions or receiving a one-time password via email or phone call to a registered device. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Once you select an alternative recovery method, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password or regain access to your account. Make sure to create a new password that is secure and memorable. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting Capital One customer support for further assistance.